Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 16 on row level security. And here is the question. Which of the following is not a valid method to implement row level security in Power BI? A. Using text expression. B. Using Power Query M function. C. Using manage roles in Power BI Desktop. Option D is using security in Power BI service. So find out which is not a valid method, right? And if you know the answer, then write down it in the comments. But if you don't know, do a little bit of research and write down your answer then in the comments to basically answer this question. So if you want to test your knowledge on questions like this, what I have done is created a Power Bank, which is the Power BI certification question bank. I have 60 questions total and questions related to the DAX, modeling, Power BI service, so on and so forth, just so that you can comprehensively test your skills into the Power BI certification perspective. So this is a paid question bank and the link is present in the description and you can get an access after making the payment. And apart from that, other links that I have given is my private group link where I give all of such announcements a bit early and a couple other details to those who are joining the group, as well as I have the link in the description for my video tutorials where I keep at one single place on Power BI. So make sure you check out the description because you will find something very relevant for what you are looking, especially from a beginner perspective. So with that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.